and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how I've deep cleaned my hallway and downstairs toilet with ammonia. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I have deep cleaned my hallway and downstairs toilet with ammonia. In recent months, my hallway and downstairs loo have become a bit messy and a bit dirty as well. They really do need a really good deep clean. With the changes of seasons, we've started changing over our clothes. So there are some summer jackets in the hallway that need to go back upstairs, and there are a few pairs of summer shoes that need to go back upstairs as well. So that needs doing. And I thought that I would just give this hallway a really deep clean, because sometimes when I step into the hallway, it smells a bit damp in here, and I really want to try and get rid of that smell today. And ammonia is a chemical, but it's a chemical that breaks down easier in the environment, and it's very good for getting rid of things like mould and dirt as well. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to try this chemical out in the hallway. We're not going to eat in this room, so there's no reason not to try it in here. At least I hope we're not going to eat in this room. Anyway, I have done 2 previous videos before. I cleaned the oven with ammonia recently, and I also cleaned the washing machine and tumble dryer as well, and those videos I will link in the description box below for you. But today I'm going to be cleaning this room, and I'm hoping that ammonia does a really good job. And of course, while I was cleaning, I thought I'd share what I was doing with you. So here is how I've deep cleaned my hallway and downstairs toilet with ammonia. Firstly, I'd like to start by apologising. I have a cold today, so I may sound a bit different while recording this video. So to start the process of cleaning the downstairs toilet and the hallway, I removed all of the items from both rooms. As you can see, we store quite a lot of toilet roll in our downstairs loo, and that's simply because we buy it in bulk from Costco and it's the easiest place to store it. Once I cleared everything out of the downstairs loo, I then moved on to clearing out the hallway. So I took out all of the coats, and I even moved the shoe box out as well. Finished removing all of the items from the hallway and the downstairs toilet, I went into my kitchen and I filled a bowl of lukewarm water, and to the lukewarm water I added a scouring pad. The first scouring pad that I found was a bit dirty, so I had a little look under the sink and I found a clean one. And then also to the lukewarm water I'm going to add some ammonia. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of ammonia to the lukewarm water. On the back of the packet it says about 4 tablespoons to every 5 litres. I also added some peppermint oil as well. So I just added a little bit of peppermint oil just to make it smell a bit nicer. The ammonia does have quite a distinctive smell. It does disappear after a while, but yeah, it does kind of get up your nose. So I thought I'd put some peppermint oil in there to try and help clear any chemicals going into my nostrils. So yeah, now what I'm doing is I'm just starting to clean the toilet walls. They didn't really need a clean, but I just thought I'd do it while I was in there and everything was out of the bathroom. There were a few cobwebs hanging about, so I thought I'd get rid of those. And I just basically start at the top and I work my way down. And then I'm going to clean around the toilet as well, and I'm also going to start cleaning the floors in a little while as well. like to say that the Ammonia did a brilliant job at getting the grouting in between the tiles white again. It looks brilliant in our bathroom now. And now I'm moving on to cleaning the hallway, and as you can see, I've opened up the front door. The bottom part of the front door does get quite dirty. Where people come in and out of the front door, there's a lot of mud and dirt there, so I decided to give this a clean. Again, the Ammonia did a really good job, and now I'm just going to continue to clean the hallway floor as well. At this point, I noticed that there were a few dirty marks on the walls, so I decided to give the walls a clean as well. And while I was cleaning them, I actually noticed that my water was quite dirty. I actually ended up making the wall more dirty than I should have done, really. So I decided to go and change my water. And once I changed the water, I then started to clean the marks from this part of the wall as well. I'd finished cleaning that side of the hallway, I then went back to cleaning the floor and the other side of the hallway as well. I gave the skirting boards a clean as I was going round, and any marks I found on the walls I decided to try and clean those off as well. I think the Ammonia did a really good job at getting the dirty marks off the hallway walls. Finished cleaning the walls and the floors, I then moved back to drying the floor in the downstairs toilet and the hallway. So our hallway is in a shady part of our street, and unfortunately in winter it doesn't get as much warmth as it does in summer, so it does take a long time for it to dry in this area. So I thought I'd just go and give it a helping hand by using a tea towel that I just moved along the floor with my foot. A young man taught me this in a shop I used to work in when I was younger, and I'm really pleased it did, because it saves me bending over all the time. So yeah, I'm just drying the floor, and then once I've dried the floor, I then move back to cleaning the shoe boxes. So for this, I'm using a hoover. I'm just hoovering out the bottom of the box because there was a lot of debris in there. So there was stones and bits of mud, I think, in the bottom that just needed cleaning out. And then I'm just going to use a bit of Method spray. Method is an all-natural spray. I normally use it in the kitchen and the bathroom, but I also use it in the hallway as well. And I'm just cleaning out each box individually. Next, I'm moving on to cleaning the mat at the front. So to do this, I'm just going to bang it outside. I can't be bothered to get the hoover out, I don't think. So I just banged the mat outside and got rid of some of the dirt and dust on the doormat. And then once that was done, I then moved on to cleaning the inside of the shoebox. The inside of the shoebox does generally tend to get quite dirty sometimes, so it does need a good clean. And then I also cleaned the cushion that sits on top of the shoebox with the hoover as well. And then once that was done, again I sprayed this with my Method spray. So as I said, Method is an all-natural cleaner. It's really good to use around the home. This isn't an advert for Method, but I just really like their products. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to clean the shoe box, and then once the shoe box is cleaned, I then decide to clean some of the items in the downstairs bathroom. So this is a vase I got from IKEA. I can't remember how long ago I got it or how much it cost or anything, but it was a very long time ago, and I just decided to give it a quick clean. And I'm also cleaning the toilet brush holder and the toilet brush as well. I thought that looked as though it needed a clean. And then some of my shoes, when I walked here to school, I don't know about your area, but people seem to be leaving dog poo on the pavement, and it's rather disgusting, and sometimes it gets on the bottom of my shoes, and so I've had to start cleaning them. Those shoes I wore that morning, and I did get a bit of dog poo on them, so I decided to give them a clean. But some of these shoes also get a bit stone stuck in them as well, so I decided to give those a clean as well. And there are some shoes that I wear during the summer and autumn and spring that aren't really winter shoes, so I decided to give those a clean, and I'm going to put those back upstairs once they're dry, but I just left those over by the window to dry. Once I'd finished cleaning the shoes and I'd left them to dry by the back window, I then started to move all of the items back into the hallway and downstairs toilet. My final job was to sort through the coats and see which ones needed to stay and which ones could go back upstairs again. This is the hallway clean again. The only bit I probably didn't show you was the fact that I just gave this window a quick wipe. It's not too dirty round here, and it wasn't too messy either. I have got rid of the hats and gloves and stuff that was lying on the radiator. I am hoping that we will be able to decorate this room soon, and I'm hoping to be able to put up a shelf with some boxes on it so that we can store hats and gloves and scarves in those. But yeah, I think the ammonia has done a really good job on the walls and the floor. Certainly has cleaned the floor quite well. Around the door is also looking a lot cleaner now as well, so I'm pleased with that. The shoebox is looking better. I got rid of a few of the coats. So those coats that you saw me with earlier, I'm going to take those upstairs later on. And then the downstairs loo, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. If I put the overhead light on, you'll hear a fan and it's just a bit rubbish. But anyway, if you can see, I don't know if you can or not, but the ammonia actually got rid of a lot of the dirty marks on these tiles. So I'm really pleased, especially the ones down the front here. This looks really clean again now. And the bathroom and the downstairs toilet is looking really clean as well. And the smell of ammonia has disappeared as well. So it's definitely worth it. It's a good product to use, I think, and it's not too expensive. I will link it in the description box below for you. This isn't an advert. If I've said that already, I'm sorry, but this isn't an advert for ammonia. Just really like the product. and it has done a really good job on the hallway and downstairs toilet as well. That's it, that's how I've deep cleaned the hallway and downstairs toilet with ammonia, and as I said, I'm really pleased with the finished results. This product did a really good job at cleaning the stains on the tiles in our bathroom, so I'm really pleased with this, and I will definitely try to use this product again in different places in my home as well. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.